Let's understand SSH keys for Git and learn how to use secure password-free authentication for Git repositories. So, what exactly is SSH? SSH, which stands for Secure Shell, is a cryptographic network protocol. It provides a secure way to access and manage remote systems over an unsecured network. SSH uses public key cryptography to authenticate the remote computer and allows it to authenticate the user, ensuring a secure connection. Let us understand how SSH keys work. SSH keys come in pairs, a private key and a public key. The private key stays on your local machine and should never be shared with anyone. It is used to decrypt messages. The public key, on the other hand, is shared with Git servers and added to your account. It's used to encrypt messages. Here's how the process works. First, you generate a key pair on your computer. Then you add the public key to platforms like GitHub or GitLab. When you try to connect, the server verifies your identity using these keys. If everything matches, access is granted without the need for a password. To generate a new SSH key pair, use the command ssh-keygen, followed by the parameter t@25519, and followed by your email address at example.com. This command creates a modern, secure, and faster key using the ed25519 algorithm. If ed25519 is not supported, you can use RSA by typing ssh-keygen, followed by the parameter trsa, b4096, and followed by your email at example.com. Remember to use a strong passphrase for additional security. The default location for the private key is ~ssh/id_ed25519, and the public key will be saved as ~ssh/id_ed25519.pub. The SSH Agent is a program that holds private keys used for SSH authentication, eliminating the need to enter your passphrase every time you use your SSH key. To start the SSH Agent in the background, use the command eval followed by the output of ssh-agent-s inside parenthesis. This command will give you an agent process identification. To add your SSH private key to the agent, type ssh-add, followed by ~ssh/id_ed25519. This adds your identity to the agent. To add your SSH key to GitHub, first, copy your public key to the clipboard using the cat command followed by ~ssh/id_ed25519.pub and pipe it to clip for Windows, pcopy for macOS, or xclip for Linux. Then go to your GitHub account settings and select SSH and GPG keys from the sidebar. Click the new SSH key button, give your key a descriptive title, paste your public key into the key field, and click Add SSH key to save. To test your SSH connection to GitHub, use the command ssh-tgit at github.com. You may be asked to confirm the authenticity of the host the first time. If you see the message "Hi username!" you've successfully authenticated, but GitHub does not provide shell access. Your SSH key is working. The shell access message is normal, as GitHub doesn't provide shell access. To clone a repository using SSH, use the command git clone git at github.com:username/repo.git. For example, git clone git at github.com:user/project.git. To change a remote URL from HTTPS to SSH, use the command git remote set-URL origin git at github.com:username/repo.git. You can verify the change by typing git remote-v. When copying repository URLs from GitHub, you can toggle between SSH and HTTPS formats using the drop-down menu next to the URL field. If you encounter a permission-denied public key error, verify that your SSH key is added to the SSH agent and that your public key is added to GitHub. If you get an authentication failed error, Ensure you're using the correct SSH key and that the SSH agent is running. For host key verification failed, remove the problematic host from known hosts by running the command ssh-keygen or github.com. Finally, if you're using HTTPS instead of an SSH URL, change the remote URL to the SSH format by running the command git remote set-URL origin git at github.com:user/repo.git. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.